Hi, my name is Ravi. I'm here to talk about the need for supplements. So let me give you a quick example, basically about the background. Why do we need the supplements? World Health Organization recommends that you need to have five to nine servings of different fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. Why? Because it helps us to support our immune system and also enhances the sustainability of life. Okay, so I talk about why it is so important that that you need to have all those things, because see, there is a certain, it's a name called phytonutrients. So phyto is basically a Greek word called as a plant, and nutrient is it's a life enabling substances. So there are different colors of fruits and vegetables which helps our health to take care of for different reasons. For example, if I say purple color helps in developing our the brain system, and orange color helps us in maintaining the eye health, and we have a red color that helps to take care of our heart. We have a white color to take care of our bones and joint health, and we have green color to take care of the cellular health. So all these factors are very important. So it is recommended to eat the right quantity and the variety of fruits and vegetables. So why supplements? See, the 75% of the world population are not having enough fruits and vegetables on a daily basis because of various factors, due to the busy schedule or the environmental factors. So how do you bridge that gap? Let's say if I'm supposed to have an X amount of fruits and vegetables, but due to certain reasons I'm not able to have that. So how do I bridge that gap? So here comes the supplements. So supplements are basically made out of the dietary and plant-based supplements that helps to bridge that gap. Okay, let's say if I'm not able to have the 100% from the diet, but 80% I'm able to have it in the fruits in the on my daily diet. So 20% what that gap, or the 30% the gap what I have, that I can bridge with the right amount, right quality of supplements. So what supplements do you take? I'll talk about the Neutralite. Why? Because Neutralite are the best in the world, and they are the pioneer in the industry. So they have a vast experience of more than 8 years, and so they have a concept called seed to supplement. Whatever the seed comes, and till it becomes the supplement, the entire process what they maintain, it is very good, and it is, so that's why Neutralite are the best in the world. So that's why it is very important to have the supplements, not because of that I take everything from my diet. It's not possible, because what quality of the fruits and vegetables are we having is also an important factor. So supplements helps us to bridge that gap and helps us to maintain our good health. So that's why it is important for why do we need the supplements. This is all I wanted to share. Thank you.